4 Springhill Avenue, this door been down for like 3 months, and it need to be fixed. And I don't know if it's the environment or is the area that we're in or whatever, but I think this door need to be fixed right about now. And that's a complaint. Sir, what you said about the door?
I don't know. I don't know for real.
So you don't know for real. Man, everybody want to hide from the video right now, but that's what happens when you get into a certain neighborhood, a certain zone. This is what I'm talking about red line. Hey man, what's happening, man? What you think about this door in the front, man?
Mess up.
And it's been like that for a while?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think it's a neighborhood or what?
Now, home bug did it intentionally.
No, I'm talking about the repair, about how long it's been out.
About two, maybe 3 months.
I know, but don't you think if it was in a different neighborhood, it'd be fixed?
I don't know what they had missed for the door. I don't know.
Okay, sir. Thanks. That's your point of view. Okay, store clerk, what you got to say about it, sir?
Hey man, I got real hot.
All right. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stop this short, bro. We on our short time right now, so we got some medics up in here. Let me get their opinion about it. I'm gonna shut this short down. Hey, excuse me, you all. Excuse me. I'm doing a YouTube short. It might be a long. What y'all think about that door being down for like 3 months?
The what?
The door not being fixed in less than 3 months.
I don't have any strong feelings about it.
Oh, okay. Okay. What about you, sir? If it was your door and it was your personal business, would you have fixed before 3 months?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, thanks.